to Maths Live. Got a few things to start with. I'm still laughing from yesterday's lesson, but apparently at least I didn't fart at the beginning of my lesson. I've just been informed about Mr. Joe Wicks letting out a bit of a stinker at the beginning of one of his PE lessons this week. So I promise I won't do the same as that, I hope. But yeah, thank you for joining in yesterday. I loved your messages because I had so many parents messaging on behalf of their children saying it was really nice to see a teacher make a mistake, and it was really nice to spot a teacher's mistake and know that I'd spotted it. So it's really nice actually. I'm really nervous about today now, obviously, because it involves quite a bit of adding. Even though it's a subtraction lesson, so fingers crossed. I'm also a bit nervous because my laptop decided to run quite low of battery, so I've had to just jog downstairs, get the cable. But it's a nice tripwire down here, so if you hear a big bang when I walk off screen, I've fallen over, so hopefully that doesn't happen. Anyway, back to the maths. So today you've got, this is the 3 challenge questions actually. I thought I'd put them at the beginning because the 3 challenge questions for this lesson were like a revision of today's learning, this week's learning. So you've got 56 times by 3, 382 times by 7, and then 567 divided by 9. So if you haven't already given those a go, have a go now. If you've already given them a go, relax, give me a shout out, and we'll start today's lesson. So, in fact, I'm just not going to move over there because I will trip up. I shall stay on screen. So, we've got Sam. Hi, Sam. Brilliant. We've got... Hi, Amelia. Hi, Grace and Hattie. Hello. Hi, Leo. Hi, Keris. Hi. Hi, Morgan. We've got Abby, age 6, and Beth, age 9. Hello. Hi Layla, hi Caitlin, hi Charlotte, you may have a shout out Charlotte. Hi Izzy, age 9. Hi Robbie, hello Robbie, welcome back. Robbie has inspired me for next week's Maths Live, and I'll tell you about that shortly. Hi Queenie, hi Maisie and Broughton. Brilliant, nice jumper, thank you. You know guys, I love like rainbow type stuff, so thank you, it's nice and snuggly today. Oh, it's from Lara. Hiya. Hi, Gus. Hello. Welcome back, Gus. Hi. Rebe. Hello, Rebe. Welcome back. Hi, Ahmed. Hi, Cara. Wow, there's so many of you. I'm going to spend the whole of this lesson doing shout-outs. Matthew. Lachlan. Hi, Soren. Hi. Hi, Ava. Hi, Ava. Welcome back. Brilliant. Right, I'm gonna put my phone down. I've got Tom and Katie and Brea. Hi, but I'm gonna put my phone down because otherwise, I mean, it'd be nice if it was a shout out lesson, but I think it'd be even nicer if you did some shout outs and took away some maths learning. Okay, so let's do our revision. I will come back to the shout outs. Right, 56 times by 3. So I know we did grid method. This week I'm going to try and use the column method because it's a bit more advanced than the grid method. So 6 threes are 18. So you've multiplied your 6 and your 3. Put the 8 and then carry over the 1. And then 5 times 3 is 15 plus the 1. So 168. So get those answers written down if you've done them. Sorry, I'm going to come towards the camera. 56 times by 3. 168, so well done if you got that. $382 times by 7. Right, this is one where, again, it doesn't matter if the number gets bigger on the top, just use the same method. Okay, so 2 7s are 14. So put your 1 underneath, just like you'd exchange or regroup when you're adding. And then, so you're 2 7s are 14, 8 7s, so what's 8 7s? 1 8 is 8, 2 8 is 16, 3 8 is 24, 4 8 is 32, 5 8 is 40, 6 8 is 48, 7 8 is 56, plus the 1, 57. Okay, and then the last bit, 7 3s are 21, plus the 5 is 26. So 674. Well done if you got that. And then the last question, 567 divided by 9. We're only dividing by a 1-digit number, so we can just do regular bus stop. Now, remember, you're dividing this number by this number. And the lovely thing about bus stop is that we do it 1 digit at a time. So you're dividing here 5 by 9. You can't do that. So you put a 0, but you carry that 5 over. And now it's how many 9s are in 56. So we're going to count up in our 9s. 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36, 5 9s are 45, 6 9s are 54, and 7 9s are 63. 63 is too far. So 6 9s are 54, but we need 56. So we've got 2 left over. I've not made another mistake, have I? 54. Why have I made a mistake here? Feels like I have. 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are... I'm doubting myself now. 3 9s are 27. I'm just going to completely doubt myself from yesterday's lesson. So well done if you got 63. 5, 6, 7 divided by 9 is 63. I'm really nervous about today's lesson because I've never taught it on Maths Live before. Okay? It's in the Year 6 curriculum, but if you're in Year 3, Year 4, Year 5 or even younger, obviously take part, watch, have a go. And it's in the Year 6 curriculum, but as you saw yesterday, long division, that is the main larger division that you do in Upper Key Stage 2. But there's another one. It's called short division. And it's easily confused with bus stop, like we did a couple of days ago. Because you think short, all right, that's just, yeah, easy numbers, goes across. The thing is though, if I do a first example here, is that, actually let's move a bit down because I actually need the space on top today. You know how yesterday we went down, we don't go down today. So if I did 595 divided by 35. So yesterday we were thinking of groups of 35, taking big chunks of it out of here. So we were brainstorming groups of 35 down the side and subtracting them. This is not what we're doing today. Because by short division, it means we're keeping it short on top. We're not going down. And we're actually going across like you do with normal bus stop. Okay, so shall we give it a start? Let's have a go. So let's do 30. So 5 divided by 35. Well, we know we can't do that. Oh, this is quite easy to start, isn't it? So then we'll carry over. And then you think, oh, 59 divided by 35. You're thinking, I don't know my 35 times tables, so there must be another way to do it. And there is. Because what we use, I'll throw my whiteboard rubber all the way down there. What we do is the number that we're dividing by, we still do some working out on the side. But it's not multiplication today, it's adding. And what we do is we do some brainstorming of repeated addition to help us break up this division. So I'll show you an example. Right, a repeated addition. So 35 plus 35 is 70. Now, this is the bit that I can get muddled with. So as you saw yesterday with my subtraction, so you've got to take your time and make sure this is accurate. So 1 lot of 35, 2 is 70, right? What's 70 plus 35? So I add the 5, that's 75. Add the 3, 105. Okay. Okay, 105 plus 35 is 140. It's a bit like, you know, when we were doing the brainstorming yesterday, you're not quite sure how far you need to go down. I tend to do about 5 rows, okay? I know you might be thinking, what is she doing? You'll see. And then 140 plus 35 is 175. I bet you lot are doing this quicker than me. Right, now then, the next part was 59 divided by 35. So how many groups of 35 can we fit into 59? 1. So we can only fit one group of 35 into 59. So what's our remainder? So what we do is just do 59, take away that 35. So 9 is 4. 5, take away 3. I'm having doubts now. 24. So we have to carry, that's the remainder. We carry the 24 across. So the last bit now is 245. Can you see why we were doing this repeated addition? Right, I need to carry this on a little bit. So 175 plus 35 is 210. And then I need to keep going. So 210 plus 35 is 245. There we go. So how many 35s can you fit into 245? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 17. Now, some of you might be like, what on earth? I much preferred long division. That's fine. This is a nice way of having two options to do the same sum. You could do long division or you could do short division. I'm going to show you another example. Some of you who did long division yesterday and hated it might think, oh, I prefer a bit of adding. 936 divided by 24. Okay, brainstorming. Downside. Repeated addition of 24. So 24 plus 24 is 48. Thankfully I could spot that bit. And then 2048, so 49, 50, 51, 52, 62, 72. And 72 plus 24, 76, 96. And then 96 plus 24, well, if I added a 4, that's 100. So that's 100. Don't worry if you're not as quick as me at this, okay? I'm supposed to be quite quick as a teacher, but I can make mistakes. I'm going to stick, again, with 5. Right, that is my helper for this, okay? Okay, let's go. 9. So I'm dividing 9 by 24. Can't do it. So 0 and carry the 9 across. 93. Right, how many groups of 93 can we fit into 24? Right, that's too far. So 3. 1, 2, 3. What's our remainder? So we do 93. Take away that we got the number we got to. 21. So we carry the 21 across. 216. So I need to carry this on a little bit. So 120 add 24 is 142. And then 142 plus 24 is 168. And then 168 plus 24, so 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 192. 192 plus 24, so 92. If I add the 4, that is 6. And then if I add the 2, oh, it's 216. Right, I've got there. You should always get there, by the way. You should always have a whole answer. So how many 24s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 39. So if you prefer adding, then this is right up your street. If you're good at mental addition, amazing. Right, I'm going to give you guys a turn now. Okay. 494 divided by 19. So start, write your question down, and then you might actually want to do more than 5. You've seen already how I've actually had to carry on. So do some repeated addition of 19. If you need to count with your fingers, that's fine. Okay. Steph's going to scroll back. Try and do as many shout outs as I can. Let's have a look. Yeah, see, I understand the last lesson a bit more. That is fine. That is okay. Okay. It's, by the way, I just want to make, it's hard. This is hard. Okay? Don't think that if I'm not getting it, I'm stupid. No way. Okay, I found this hard when I learned this, and it was only a couple of months ago. So I'm going to do a big shout out to Ellie Mae and Freya, who are in year 6 and got me to practice this with them. So it's because of them that I'm teaching this today. Hi Maisie. Hello. Ruby and in Dover. Hello. Hi Maddie. If I've already given you a shout out, let's give some space. Don't be nervous. Oh, thank you. Year 6. In our school, we call it a fact box. I'm stealing that. I love that. A fact box. Right, here's our fact box. Love it. Oh, wow. I can't pronounce... I'm going to pronounce your name wrong. It's a beautiful name. Kyle and Mike or Mikkel, I think. Please tell me where you're from, because those are beautiful names. I understand this much more than the last lesson. Oh, okay. Interesting. I think, yeah, it's hard. Definitely. I think it's this bit that's the hardest. Because then when you're able to put it in... Okay. Carry on. Keep working at it. I'm just going to silently do some repeated addition of 19 in the background. Carry on. There's no rush. Okay. So 19 plus 19. Am I doing this right? Tell me if I'm doing this right, because like I said, I've lacked so much confidence now from yesterday's lesson. So I think I'm actually spotting a pattern here. I'm just going to have a look at your comments. Hi William and Yasmin. Yes, that's right so far. Thank you, Heidi. I know some of you saying, can you just do long division? But that was yesterday's lesson. And there are 2 more videos of long division lessons on my YouTube channel. So if you want to have a go at long division again from the very start, you can go back onto my YouTube channel and there's a whole new lesson. So like starting it from afresh. Right. Have you noticed the pattern? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Right, let's go. So we've got our fact box. So, how many? So you can't put it there. So 49. What's the closest number we can get to 49? 38. That's 2 lots of 19. So 49, take away 38 is 11. So we carry our 11 across. So we've got 114. It's there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26. Yes. Okay, so well done if you got 26. Don't worry if you got a little bit confused. We'll try another one. You can do it, okay? It's just giving it a go is the best part, yeah? Even if you're not sure you quite get it right. Remember, this is year 6 going into Key Stage 3. So be proud of yourselves that you're giving this a go. 544 divided by 32. So 32. And then get your fact box ready. Ah, right, so it's Kiva and Michal. Oh, thank you for correcting me. So Kiva and Michal, what lovely names. And you know what's really nice about the chat? Even though it's a sort of, oh, I'm not sure if I get it and I prefer this, I like that you're actually saying to each other, oh, me too, or what do you do at school? It's nice. Look, you're all from different parts of the country. We've had people joining in from Bahrain, and I had someone from Pakistan yesterday that joined in the lesson later on. You're not only discussing this with people all around the UK, you're actually discussing it with different people in the world. So it's a bit different to your classroom at school, isn't it? Okay, 32 repeated addition. So we've got 32, 64, okay, and then 96. Okay, so I'm not going to try and go too fast, just looking into it. So we've got 5, and now 54. So we know 54 is where we've got to start. Okay. And then if you add another 2, so 96, 97, 98. So it's 108, 118, 128. Okay. And then it'll be 160. And then 192. I'm going to stop there. So 54. I can fit it in once. And my remainder, 54, take away 32, 22. So I need to carry over 22, 224. I'm up to 192. So I need to add some more. So 4, and then 9, so 92, 94, 104, 204, 200, oh, 224. Yeah, 224. So there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 17. Let's have a look, have a look, have a look, have a look. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Yeah, 17. Some of you are like, is it 17? 17. Amazing. Yeah, it's 17. Fantastic. Amazing. Right, to be honest, I know it's a bit early, but I am going to stop it there because, like I say, it's like this is like an extra onto. Oh, remember this whole week we've done multiplication up to 2-digit by 2-digit. We've done bus stop division, long division, and now we've had a go at short division. Obviously, you can go away and maybe have a look at this yourself. They're completely different. Even though you can do the same questions, you can use repeated addition or you can do subtracted multiplication. Now, next week, this is why I've got to thank Robbie, because Robbie in Scotland said, Steph, can you help me a bit with 2D and 3D shapes? And he meant sort of like, can you do a course on it? And I was like, yeah, maybe. And then my brain was ticking, thinking, oh, I've never done it in Maths Live, and even though it's quite tricky to do like the drawing on the whiteboard, I've thought of something different. I thought, what if we could do a Maths Live lesson where you get to do some drawing at home, so it's not all about calculating. Maybe you guys can do some drawing to help along with me. So it's going to be a little bit different Maths Live next week, and I'm actually really excited about it. I've put the events on my page already. thank you very much. Happy Friday. Thanks for joining in. And have a lovely weekend. And I will see you next Monday for 2D shapes. See you later. Bye bye. Oh, China challenge question. Yes.